Drinking coffee in the morning.
Did you drink a cup of coffee this morning?
Yes, I drank 2 cups this morning.
2 cups? That's a lot.
I needed it to wake up.
Fair enough. Did it help?
Definitely. I feel more awake now.
Drinking water during the day.
Did you drink enough water today?
No, I didn't drink much water today. I forgot.
You should drink more. It's important to stay hydrated.
You're right. I'll get a glass now.
Good idea. Make it a habit.
I'll try my best.
Drinking wine at the party.
Did you drink a glass of wine at the party last night?
Yes, I drank a couple of glasses.
Was it red or white?
Red. It paired really well with the food.
Sounds fancy. Did you enjoy it?
I did. It was excellent.
Drinking juice with breakfast.
Did you drink any juice with your breakfast?
No, I didn't drink any juice. I had water instead.
Water's good, but juice can be refreshing.
True, but I'm trying to avoid extra sugar.
That makes sense. Water is a healthier choice.
Exactly.
Drinking alcohol at the bar.
Did you drink alcohol at the bar?
No, I didn't drink anything alcoholic.
What did you have instead?
Just a soda. I wanted to keep it light.
That's smart. Drinking too much isn't good for you.
I completely agree.
Drinking a cup of tea before bed.
Did you drink a cup of tea before bed last night?
Yes, I drank a cup of chamomile tea.
That's nice. Did it help you sleep?
It did. I fell asleep right away.
I should try that. I've been struggling to sleep.
You should. It's very calming.
Drinking a can of Coke at lunch.
Did you drink a can of Coke with your lunch?
No, I didn't drink a can of Coke. I had water instead.
That's healthier. A can of Coke has too much sugar.
Exactly. I'm trying to cut back.
Good for you. Keep it up.
Thanks, I will.
Drinking a smoothie after exercise.
Did you drink a smoothie after your workout?
Yes, I drank a protein smoothie.
That's great. What was in it?
Banana, spinach and some protein powder.
That sounds healthy and delicious.
It was.
Drinking a glass of milk with cookies.
Did you drink a glass of milk with your cookies?
Yes, I drank a glass of milk with my cookies.
That's the best combination. How were the cookies?
They were amazing, freshly baked and still warm.
That sounds so good. I'm jealous.
Next time, I'll save you some.
Drinking a glass of champagne on New Year's Eve.
Did you drink a glass of champagne on New Year's Eve?
Yes, I drank a glass at midnight.
Did you make a toast?
Of course, we toasted to a great new year.
That's lovely. Did you have fun?
I had a wonderful time.
Drinking an energy drink before work.
Did you drink an energy drink before work?
No, I didn't drink one today.
That's good. Those aren't very healthy.
I know, I'm trying to avoid them.
Smart move. Coffee is a better option.
Agreed.
Drinking a mug of hot chocolate.
Did you drink a mug of hot chocolate last night?
Yes, I drank a big mug of it while watching a movie.
That sounds so cozy. Did you add marshmallows?
Of course, it's not the same without them.
True. Hot chocolate is the best on cold nights.
It really is.
Drinking a glass of lemonade on a hot day.
Did you drink a glass of lemonade when it was so hot yesterday?
Yes, I drank a big glass of homemade lemonade.
That sounds refreshing. Did you add ice?
Yes, and a slice of lemon too.
Perfect. Lemonade is great in the summer.
I completely agree.
Drinking a pint of beer with friends.
Did you drink a pint of beer with your friends last night?
Yes, I drank a couple of pints at the pub.
Did you have a good time?
Definitely, we had a lot of laughs.
That's always nice. Did you get home late?
Not too late, thankfully.